Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices so the connection will succeed. Plug the cable into the phone and the laptop while the phone screen is unlocked. On the phone, open Settings and navigate to Network or Connections. This locates USB tethering quickly. Make sure mobile data is on, otherwise tethering has no internet to share. Once done, keep the phone awake and visible because some phones require you to accept a prompt to allow USB data transfer. Next, you enable the tethering feature that turns your phone into a network interface. On Android, toggle USB tethering in Hotspot and tethering. The phone becomes a routed adapter, so your laptop uses mobile IP. On iPhone, enable personal hotspot and trust the computer when prompted to authorize USB network access. Make sure the laptop installs any required drivers automatically. If it doesn't, accept the driver prompts and wait for the network adapter to appear in your system tray or network settings. Finally, verify connectivity by opening a browser and loading a simple web page or by running a quick ping. This confirms DNS and routing work. If you still have issues, make sure Wi-Fi or VPN isn't forcing a different adapter. Disable them temporarily so USB tethering becomes primary. If the laptop shows no adapter, retry with a different cable, accept any trust prompts on the phone, or reboot both devices. One key troubleshooting tip: update or reinstall the mobile device drivers on your laptop to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.